Are you looking for the next big thing in the smartphone world? Well, you're in luck, because today, we've got something special for you. A lineup of the top 5 best foldable phones of 2024. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gadget geek, or just someone eager to upgrade their mobile game, you won't want to miss this. So grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the future of smartphones. Number 5. Motorola Razr Plus. This modern flip phone brings back the nostalgia of the classic Razr with a futuristic twist. The 6.9-inch OLED display is not just gorgeous, it's flexible, providing a seamless visual experience. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM power through tasks effortlessly. But that's not all. The camera system on the Razr Plus is a showstopper. With a 12-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel wide camera, and a whopping 32-megapixel front camera, your photos and videos will be top-notch. And don't worry about running out of juice. The 3,800 mAh battery ensures all-day usage. Priced at $999, the Razr Plus offers premium features at a more affordable rate. It's compatible with major carriers, making it versatile and accessible. If you want a flip phone that bends over backward for you, the Motorola Razr Plus is the way to go. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, a compact and innovative foldable phone that's turning heads. The design is sleek, and the 3.4-inch flex window cover screen supports widgets, customization, and an enhanced selfie experience. With various color options like mint, graphite, cream, lavender, yellow, gray, blue, and green, you can pick a style that suits you. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, this device ensures enhanced performance, AI capabilities, and improved battery life. The flex hinge design is durable, guaranteeing longevity even with frequent folding and unfolding. The Z Flip 5 packs a 3,700 mAh battery, providing up to 57 hours of music playback or 20 hours of video watching. Samsung Knox ensures the privacy and security of your data. And here's the kicker: it incorporates recycled materials for a sustainable touch. Style, innovation, durability, and sustainability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 has it all. If you want a unique foldable phone that stands out, this one's for you. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The first foldable phone from OnePlus. Boasting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 16 GB of RAM, and a Hasselblad camera for fold, this device is a powerhouse. The Sony Lichia Pixel technology enhances camera performance for stunning shots. With a 4,805 mAh battery and 67-watt fast charging, the OnePlus Open keeps you going all day. The 120 Hz display refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, and advanced multitasking features make split-screen capabilities a breeze. Available in Voyager Black with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, this foldable beauty is priced at $1,699. And here's a bonus: enjoy discounts and trade-in offers when you grab the OnePlus Open. If you're a OnePlus fan, this is your chance to step into the world of foldable phones. Number 2. Google Pixel Fold. Google's first foldable phone. Is it a game changer? Unfolding into a compact tablet with a 7.6-inch screen, the Pixel Fold's design is unique and eye-catching. The durable hinge and IPX8 water resistance rating add to its appeal. The camera capabilities are mind-blowing. With Super Res Zoom, Real Tone, Night Sight, and Pro-level modes, you're equipped for any photography situation. Powered by the Google Tensor G2 chip, this phone is fast, secure, and packed with Google Eye features. It supports 5G connectivity and comes in 2 colors, porcelain and obsidian. If you're looking for innovation and versatility, the Google Pixel Fold has got you covered. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. With a massive 7.6-inch interior screen, an upgraded processor, and improved battery life, this device is the epitome of innovation. The Z Fold 5 is thinner, lighter, and more powerful than its predecessors, making it the best big-screen folding smartphone available. The camera setup is phenomenal, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera for 3 times optical zoom. With a display refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, advanced multitasking capabilities, and S Pen compatibility, this device is a multitasking beast. Download the Good Lock app for customization and enjoy the benefits of the 4400 mAh dual battery system for extended usage. Available in 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Z Fold 5 is priced between $1,799 and $2,159. If you want the best of the foldable phone world, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is your go-to choice. So there you have it, our top 5 best foldable phones of 2024. These devices are pushing the boundaries of innovation, offering a glimpse into the future of smartphones. Let us know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech goodness.